Happy day children. Today we are going to discuss about continents of the world. Where do we all live? We all live on the earth. Earth is our home. The total land on the earth is formed of 7 continents such as Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So each continent has different number of countries. Let us discuss about Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. The world's two most populous countries are China and India. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from space. The Mount Everest, which is in the Himalayas, is the highest point on the earth. And Asia is the birthplace of great ancient civilization. Some other Asian countries are Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Philippines, Afghanistan, Thailand and Indonesia. Now let us learn more about our country, which is the part of Asia. India is our country. India is known as the land of unity in diversity, as people from different religions, languages, cultures live together. And India has several historical monuments. Taj Mahal is one such monument. It is situated in Agra on the bank of river Yamuna. Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble stones and it is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Sanchi Stupa is also one such monument near Bhopal and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. Other historic monuments in India include India Gate in Delhi, Gateway of India in Mumbai, St. George Fort in Tamil Nadu. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, Sahara Desert, both are situated in Africa. More than 50% of the world's gold and diamonds come from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. The continent was uninhabitable, that is, not fit for habitation, and remained unknown for thousands of years. So, it is also known as dark continent. Some other countries of Africa are Egypt, Kenya, Sudan, etc. North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. It is the third largest continent and it is the only continent in the world that has all climatic types. Lake Superior, which is the largest freshwater lake, and Mississippi, Missouri is the 4th longest river in the world. So both were located in North America. Some North American countries are Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Panama and United States of America. South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere and a small portion in the northern hemisphere. Amazon, the second longest river in the world, flowing in South America, and Amazon rainforest, which covers most of the Amazon basin in South America. Brazil, a country which is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. The Andes are the world's longest continuous mountain ranges located in South America. Mountain Cotopaxi, one of the highest volcanoes of the world, found in this continent. Antarctica is the coldest continent on the earth. It is also called the white continent or the frozen continent. It experiences half a year of sunlight and half a year of complete darkness. Penguins are found here. Bharati and Maitri are the active Indian research stations in Antarctica. Europe and Asia are parts of the same major landmass called Eurasia. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. Some other European countries are France, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Austria, etc. Olga is the longest river in Europe. Europe is considered as a desertless continent since there is no desert, and it is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. Australia is the smallest and island continent covered by a single country with unique landscapes and natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is the world's largest barrier reef system, and it is made up of over 2,500 individual reefs and which is visible from space. I hope you all understood the concept and the key features of continents of the world. Thank you.